this video, I'm going to show you how to make Moong Dal sprouts. With those sprouts, I'll show you how to make simple salad. So for this, I have soaked Moong Dal overnight. So I had taken out all the water, and now I'm going to pour this Moong Dal onto a clean kitchen towel. Now I'm going to fold and keep it for one more day. So Moong Dal is inside this towel. So I'm going to check on the back of this towel. It's a little bit dry, so I'm going to sprinkle some water. Not too much, so that this back part becomes wet. So I'll be keeping this again like this. As you can see, this has sprouted very well. Instead of 2 days, I have kept this inside the towel for 3 days because I want the sprouts to be longer like this. So choice is yours. You can keep for 2 days or 3 days. Now I'm going to transfer the upper portion of these sprouts onto a bowl to make salad. Why I'm taking the upper portion? Because at the bottom some may be sitting pretty, not sprouting like this, sorry. Like this. So I'm going to use the sprouted part and transfer it to a bowl to make salad. So I'm going to keep them back. You can keep for one more day for the remaining Moong Dal to sprout. Again, you have to spray some water or sprinkle some water at the bottom. So okay, to make salad, I'll be using cucumber. This is already peeled and washed. Half of tomato, cilantro leaves already washed, and later on lime juice. So, and also salt to taste, and pepper if someone wants spice. So I'm going to cut one by one. Let me cut this first. So I'm going to mix them well. It's ready to eat. Thanks for watching Kitchen Karma.